What's going on, everybody? We got the mop here. We're about to play one of my ultimate favorite games is Resident Evil 4. This is like the game that I absolutely fell in love with, and I've been waiting to do this for such a long time. It's about time I do it. I'm gonna play a new game of Resident Evil 4, normal campaign, normal everything, except I'm gonna do it with pistols and magnums only. So there's gonna be a lot of swearing in this. It's gonna get rather interesting. We're just gonna see how far I go, and if I can't do it, then I guess that's where we'll end it. But we're gonna see as far as we can go until I absolutely get so frustrated with the game that I have to quit. So we're gonna see how this goes. So I skipped a little bit of the intro. There's not much going on. Leon just explains the history of Raccoon City, and then goes on to talk about how he's going to save the president's daughter in a nearby village. And we're working with these two officers here.
Stay and watch that car. Don't want to get any parking tickets.
Right. Parking tickets.
Good luck.
Everyone's got to be so sassy. Can't just help each other
Who
out.
are these guys? Did you say something?
Leon, I hope you can
Oh,
hear me.
Hunnigan.
I'm Ingrid Hunnigan. I'll be your support on this mission.
Loud and clear. Somehow I thought you'd be a little older.
Leon! Trying to get with the ladies!
That's right. She's the daughter of the president. So try to behave yourself, okay?
Whoever this group
She's
is,
like
looks the
17.
wrong girl to kidnap.
I'll try to find some more information on my end as well.
Good. Talk to you later. Leon out.
Alright, so as we get started here, just checking. Just gonna prove to you guys. I only got my handgun, 20 rounds, and one can of first aid spray so far. Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go. That's a nice house. Got a nice two-door, not two-door, two-window. Uh-oh. Creepy guy in the window. So why not? Let's just go check it out. What do you got? What do we got?
Excuse me. Sir?
Oh. I don't think he speaks English. What an awkward
I was
turn.
wondering if you might recognize a girl in this photograph.
¿Qué carajo estás haciendo aquí? Lárgate, cabrón.
Sorry to have bothered.
Way to be sassy, Leon. He is just so sassy in this game. Ah, alright.
Freeze. I said freeze.
There's one. Do your cool little turn. Two to the head. Hell yeah. We're off to a good start. Feeling good, feeling good. Alright. Uh-oh.
Shit.
Yeah, shit's about right. So let's just hop on the radio.
Is everything okay?
There was a hostile local. I had no choice but to neutralize it. There are still others surrounding the area.
Get out of there and head toward the village. Take whatever measures necessary to save the subject.
Understood.
Yeah, Hunnigan. You tell him what's up. He is not a zombie. Alright, alright, alright. Oh, God, that's gross. Oh, that's lovely. Yeah, I hope Ashley's okay too. I mean, she's the whole reason we're here after all. We've already had one guy die. Yes, we're gonna need that. That's one thing I actually really enjoy about this game is if you'll notice, whenever I get into combat, there's certain music that plays. And as soon as you end combat, all the music stops. Oh shit, oh shit. Wow. I haven't shot this well in a long time. A long time. Wow. So anyways, you notice the music stopped. And now we know all the bad guys are dead. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. What the? There we go. Oh shit. Alright. Moving on. Let's look around a little bit. Because if you don't explore in this, you will not survive. But let's figure out what's going on back here. Let's figure that out. Uh-oh. Where's the truck? And the bridge is out. Oh, crap. There's that truck. Oh, well. Our truck's upside down.
Oh, no.
Well, that's not good. So we can't go back the way we came. Looks like we're going the other way. Check out this little cabin. Oh. Oh, no, I did not want to save it. We'll save it later. I don't know how that herb fit in that little box, and because when you cut it open, it was bigger than the box. But oh, that's gross. That's pretty nasty. A warning of some sort. Got a bad feeling about this? You just shot like 4 people, and this is what you have a bad feeling about? Should have had a bad feeling since the day you got here. Well, up the little poochie. Go on, little buddy. Be free. There he goes. But it's good to know that there's bear traps around here. That is not something we want to deal with. Let's see, what do we got? Pueblo. We're going to Pueblo, everybody. We are going to Pueblo. Ah, I see what you did. Oh, well, never mind. Oh, we had dynamite on the trees. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Oh, shit. Oh. There we go. Doing good, doing good. This one say the same thing? Yeah, same. Going to Pueblo. Alright, there's gonna be more bad guys. There's always more bad guys. Cut this. Yep, we're gonna take that. We'll take that. That's some good. That's some good stuff. What the? Hey, I don't think we're in a good neighborhood. Yeah, I don't think there's any sex discrimination either. So if we're trying to find a 16-year-old girl, we're gonna. Oh shit. Yeah, we're trying to find a 16-year-old girl, and that chick was just pegged to the front door. We might have a problem here. Oh no! I thought I could get the kick. I could not. There we go. Well, that was my mistake. I charged thinking I could kick him, and apparently could not. Oh shit! These guys just watching their friends die, and there they are, just sitting there. That's what real friends are for. I know you're in there. I know you're... Come on. Really?